Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. You are listening on combinational auction based allocation of virtual machine instance in clouds. Okay, let's have a look on our abstract. In most of cloud computing environment, cloud computing providers allocate virtual machines to their users through auction based mechanisms. The paper you have requested is combinatorial auction based allocation of virtual instance in cloud computing environment. Let's have a look on our abstract. Cloud computing enables individuals and small medium enterprises to satisfy their computation need with a no or minimum upfront costs of acquiring hardware and software. On the other hand, cloud providers benefit by commercializing their huge computing resource through the cloud computing platform. A cloud computing platform abstracts the underlying physical resources from the users by providing them with a view of virtual machines. This enables easy management and pricing of their resources. Currently, the majority of cloud providers price their computing resources based on the size of the VM instance offered. They define different types of VM instance by specifying the number and speed of processors, the memory size, the bandwidth allocation, etc. There are two ways to purchase the VM instance: pay as you go and a long-term contract. In both cases, users pay fixed prices per unit of time for using their resources. The only difference is that by committing to a long-term contract, they usually pay less per unit of time for using the same resource. Most of the current cloud computing providers allocate virtual machines to their users through fixed price allocation mechanism. We argue that combinational allocation mechanisms are specifically efficient over the fixed price mechanism, since the virtual machine instances are assigned to users having highest valuation. We formulate the problem of virtual machine allocation in cloud as a combinatorial auction problem and propose two mechanisms to solve it. The proposed mechanisms are extensions to existing combinatorial auction mechanisms. We perform extensive simulation experiments to compare the two proposed combinatorial auction based mechanisms with currently used fixed price allocation mechanisms. Start the project, then cloud configuration, then it is followed by initialization of cloudlet and VM, then generate users. After then process the request of users, then allocate VM. After that, make payment based on the algorithms which we have defined in our base paper. First is CA-LP based bit allocation and CA-greedy based bit allocation. In CA-LP based bit allocation, determine winner, make payment, then allocate resources. Likewise, in CA-greedy based bit allocation, determine winner based on CA-greedy method, make payment, then allocate resources. Stop the process. Let's see the demo of our project. First, run data.java in our source file. Initialize number of data centers and number of brokers first. Now the data center is created and respective broker is created for the data centers. Next, create virtual machine instance. Provide size, RAM size and bandwidth. Click create. Now the virtual machine will be created. Then next. Now first select fixed price mechanism. In fixed price mechanism, the vendor determination is determined based on scheduled users. Add users based on their timestamp. Once all the users are added, then schedule the user. So after schedule, click payment. Okay. Then select cloud user and VM instance. Click allocate. You need to pay for the allocation. Do this for all the users. After that, click show. It will show the payment and the winner determination. After that, click back. Now select CA greedy mechanism. So in CA greedy mechanism, we need to specify virtual machine instance. First select cloud user and specify virtual machine instance 0, 4, then their valuation. Click allocate VM. After providing valuations, click greedy method. Now select bit density. Bit density value will be calculated. Then select ranking. After then click probability values. Okay. Then it will show the winner determination value and their probability. Then click exit. Now select CALP mechanism. Here also do the same method as we do in greedy. Select cloud user and provide virtual machine instance and then give valuation for the users. You are just giving the same input as we give in greedy. Once the VM is allocated, then click linear. Okay, click find x and y and click winner determination. Then click exit. Now click performance analysis. It will show the revenue for both fixed and greedy method. Show the range of virtual machine instance for fixed, linear and greedy methods. That's all the process over. Thanks for watching clickmyproject.com.